Welcome to Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Supplement Reviews. Here, we have answers to all your questions. Watch this video completely, there is a special gift for you. Before you watch the video, make sure you have subscribed my channel to know the new product reviews and update. If you are the one willing to make transformation in your body that you desire without any diet, exercising or fat burning pill, then this review about Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic can help you to lose weight. What is Flat Belly Tonic? The Flat Belly Tonic was an ancient tonic of Japanese tribes. It has astonishing fat-burning benefits and supports with immense energy. It targets the root cause of the belly fat and makes it burnt for achieving a flat and slim belly. It activates the master fat-burning hormones that converts the food you eat into energy instead of storing it as fat cells. You can drink this tonic once a day before 10 am by mixing the powder with water, and it gives you an excellent weight loss by losing a pound a day. How Flat Belly Tonic works. The Flat Belly Tonic, when consumed regularly, has the ability to switch off CRP immediately. It will activate the powerful fat-burning hormone adiponectin that cuts off the pounds daily with increase in health and energy levels. To make it possible, this mix makes use of anthocyanins with the right combination of potent ingredients that can burn fat and release pure energy. Ingredients inside the Flat Belly Tonic: red Japanese flower, EGCG, piperine, inulin, hibiscus sadbarifa, aronia berry, acai berry, mulberry, Momerdica charantia. Advantages of using Flat Belly Tonic. This powerful tonic can resolve the cause of overweight and slim down. You can enjoy your favorite foods and still lose pounds. You can shed pounds from the belly, waist, buns and hips. It burns the fat cells, without doing exercises, regardless of your age. It maintains the healthy blood sugar levels, cholesterol, blood vessels also. This tonic can support you with high energy and super brain health. It can make you happy with slim appearance, painless joints and high energy. You can wear your favorite clothes again without resizing any of them. The fiber content present in the berries included in the supplement makes you feel full longer. It destroys fat cells and eliminates toxins from your body to keep you healthy. The 90 days money-back guarantee backs your investment. Disadvantages. It is not available in stores or in Amazon, but only through the official website of this product. Conclusion. The potent ingredients with fat-burning boosters in Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic can melt off the stubborn fats around your thighs, buns, waist, and arms and improves your overall health with fit and lean body. Hope you got answers for all your questions. Please look at the link in the description and avail the discount before you purchase. Thanks for watching.